Monanio na mashindano mothaka ma Miss Kenya ma mwaka uyu marehete hamwe airitu 22 kuma kaunti itiganite aria maranyotera kuhumbo thumbi ya Miss Kenya.
What I love about Laikipia is how they connect with different conservancy from wildlife conservation and also cultures around our county.
We are anticipating our crown, Miss Tourism Kenya, and I'm hoping to win and bring the crown home.
Mambiriirie na gucerio iguciririo-ini itiganite cia ugendi muoroto ari kumonia uthaka wa Kenya niguo uria ukuhotana akorwo akihunjia ngumo ya bururi uyu nja waguo.
Nitwakena muno tondu ni maguthie all over the country na mahote guthiururuka nginyagia ona thiini wa Afrika yothe. Ni maguturehera ngoga njega muno ya bururi uyu witu na nikio mokite tumaruti horo wa nyamu na mahote guthie na ngoga iyo haria hothe maguthie.
Mwandiki ministry ni ugendi wa Laikipia Njuki Mahiga augite ngoga ino ya Miss Kenya ni gukorwo ikiambatiria ikiro cia ugendi kaunti-ini ino.
Twi conservancy ya Mount Kenya Animal Orphanage kuria turama expose maundu maigie wildlife guku gwitu Laikipia nigetha tuhote ko market wildlife kana tourism in Laikipia through the Miss Tourism Kenya.
Arugamiriria mashindano maya ma Miss Kenya maugite ni mambiriirie gutwara mashindano maya kaunti-ini niguo guthaya airitu aya no menyo makiria wa riri no tonga wa bururi.
Kiria ngiratumire twage gwika Nairobi ni tondu we realize one, Laikipia ni a tourist destination. Secondly, we are involving counties. Try involve counties. So not wede kumenyithia andu kiria o county because counties ni tofauti.
Yeah, the mountain bongo is a critically endangered antelope only found in Kenya, in Aberdares and Mount Kenya, and their numbers are less than 100 in the wild currently. And at Mount Kenya Wildlife Conservancy, we breed and rewild these antelopes.
Kaunti 22 nicio cigukorwo kihitahitano-ini kia Miss Tourism mwaka uyu kiria kirathie na mbere tauni-ini ya Nanyuki kaunti ya Laikipia. Muhotani agitanywo gukorwo akirirukia bendera ya Kenya thiini wa tauni ya Abuja bururi-ini wa Nigeria. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV di kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, njitagwo Githui wa Wairimu.